YouTubers, old man cameraman here with an update on the S10 drift build. I've spent about 7 hours today putting the spinal cord in this bad boy. The primary positive line and the primary negative wire. I'm going to go through the truck and show you what's happening. Okay, basically both of these lines have to come in here and attach to the starter. I have run them from the starter location along the passenger side frame rail. You notice a trio of wire or lines here. Bottom one is the fuel. The largest cable is the starter cable, and the smaller one is the negative. Came up along, caught the rear end of the cab, came across the cab line. Negative goes up through the truck bed floor next to the battery location, and the positive line comes over to the emergency shutoff or main shutoff. Oh, let's open this up and put gas in it. Not. There's the main shutoff, guys. Look right there. On. Off. Finally, in general, this is the battery location. Battery box is on order. The extra cable off to the right is the negative, which will also be grounded to the bed. And the red cord coming up through the bump where the fuel goes in or used to go in, it's going to be the positive connection for the entire truck. Best thing I can tell you guys is it's getting closer. Keep watching and I'll keep updating.